Hi, everybody. It's Ted with the Holmes team at William Rivas Real Estate. And today I am here with Daryl Winter. Daryl is our energy consultant with Trinity Solar. So today I asked Daryl to join us and walk us through the cost, the process, the benefits of considering solar for your roof. And I will answer a question that I get a lot, and that is, does solar add value to my home when I'm going to sell? What is the process if somebody is interested? Where do you get started? What's the first thing?
Yeah, so Trinity Solar, we're actually the nation's largest privately held installer. We've been around for 30 years, so we have done over 100,000 installations over that period. We do about 15,000 every single year, so there's really nobody better that you can install a solar system on your home with. As far as getting started, it all starts with the design. So some homes actually don't even qualify. So to qualify for solar, you need to have a good roof in the right direction, get good sun production, and as you know, a lot of homes in Westchester can be shaded, but if you've got a great site for it, then it's a wonderful thing to add to your house.
What are some of the benefits, tax credits, federal, state, incentives? What are some of the things that you hear about being offered to offset the cost?
Yeah, well, first of all, because we live in Westchester, most people here have Con Edison. Con Edison is the third most expensive utility in the entire country. So, number one, you're going to be paying less for your electricity than you are with Con Edison or really any utility. Number two, yes, both federal and state tax incentives are available. If you buy or finance the system, the federal government will give you a 30% tax credit, not a deduction, but a tax credit off the system cost. If you buy in cash, finance, or lease, any one of those options, New York State will also give you an additional $5,000 tax credit. So the tax incentives are quite large, plus the savings on your on the energy itself. We offer zero down solar installation, so you don't have to put any money down for your solar installation. As far as the savings is concerned, it's really all dependent on what your home and your system can produce in terms of energy. But like I said, as long as you can produce, really there's no scenario where you're not saving because of those tax incentives and because we pay such high energy costs to Con Edison.
So I know one thing that I've heard too is that if you're going to do a solar system, you want to do it on a roof that's newer, right? So what are the options, and what other things are there that come with solar that could be a benefit?
Number one, after we move forward with an agreement, we have a team that comes out to evaluate not only the roof, what condition it's in, but also the structure behind it to make sure that it can handle the solar system.
When it comes to looking at solar as adding value, in my professional opinion and experience, since I've represented homes that do have solar panels on the roof already installed, and that system gets passed along to the buyer. So the value is with the buyer seeing what the actual savings is on a monthly basis. And one of the listings I had, we actually put the Con Ed electricity bills out on the kitchen table, and most months they paid zero in electricity. So there is significant consideration when it comes to savings. What's the first thing somebody does if they're interested in finding out more?
Yeah, they can just call me. I'll take their name and address, and then I'll produce a satellite image of their home that tells me exactly if the home qualifies for solar, where the panels can go, and how much energy those panels can produce.